After completing the Kailash Kora, one of the most intense and rewarding experiences of my life, we made our way back to Nepal. We had a few things to pick up and we're getting ready for the next chapter of this journey, Pakistan. But before we left Kathmandu, there was one stop I really wanted to make. You see, while we were traveling together, Ram told me about this place where Khukris are still made completely by hand. The iconic knives that are carried by the Gorkhas, Nepal's legendary warriors, known for their bravery and fearlessness. These Khukris are a symbol of strength and tradition, of that warrior spirit that still runs deep in these mountains. I've always appreciated knives for their practicality as survival tools when you're out in raw nature. But something shifted for me on this visit. I started to see them differently, more as an art, as heritage, as something that holds the story of a people. So after hearing Ram speak with so much pride and reverence, I knew I had to check it out for myself. And you can join me in this short but meaningful stop in Kathmandu as I visit the artisans keeping the Khukri tradition alive and share what I discovered about these legendary blades, right here in a new episode of Yours to Source. We made it back in Nepal.
We're back.
I'm actually quite happy to be back. The food in Nepal is much better, or at least Nepal, India. It's all very similar, and it's not very up to my taste. From the border, we couldn't capture anything on camera, of course, as usual. But we're back at the ropes. That's the trade-off, right? The Nepali roads or Chinese roads. But in return for the good roads, you also need to have a lot of policies and rules and regulations.
Supervision.
It was crazy. Like our tour guide, he had a special tour car for tourists, and which had a GPS, which registered that he had to take a break every 4 hours, 20 minutes. If he does not do that, and the machine knows, he gets a fine. It's really quite intense. And there were like a gazillion posts of passport checks that we couldn't film. It's a crazy country on regulations. Even had a situation with the army.
Yeah, we had a fight with the army.
Our Nima, our tour guide, had a fight with the army. She was. And then the video.
Deleted it for real,
the
or
video
did you
camera
fake it?
was no. I actually deleted it.
You actually deleted it?
Yeah.
I thought you faked it.
So I was Nima got angry and he said like, take camera, take video. And then I started, and then they all backed down, and they were all like super scared of the camera. So it's quite nice the contrast for when we entered China. We had this real feeling of wow, peace, calmness, cleanliness. We're very happy with it, but after having spent there a week and having experienced it, I'm also actually quite happy to be out of it again. Let's traverse the Nepali mountains. Okay, so we're back in Kathmandu. I stayed behind with Ram. Kiara went to the apartment to drop the bags because Ram had some really cool ideas for souvenirs to pick. So we're gonna do some souvenir hunting right now together with Ram, and I'll show you later. You will see what kind of cool stuff we're gonna get. And then we're in the middle of Tamil. First we're going to the travel agency to pick up some stuff for Ram. Try to exchange some money. and then we head into shops. Dream Tibet. Namaste.
Hello, namaste,
Hi.
namaste.
See you.
So how are you? Happy to see you.
Yeah, it was. We're good. We're really,
Let's take a seat.
we're
Let's-
really happy.
Let's have a tea.
You organized it very well.
Yeah.
So the thing was good. Everything was good.
Oh
We
yeah, thank you so
recommend
much,
you.
sir. Yeah.
Dream Tibet.
Dream Tibet, yeah.
Dream Tibet.
Dream Tibet.
Travel and tours.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
Ram.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, have a good time. Then when are you flying back to home?
We are continuing into Pakistan
Oh, okay.
coming month.
Oh, okay. Good,
So,
good to.
yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay.
So still a lot of adventure
Okay. Have a
coming.
nice time here. Okay.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
I do really recommend this place because they were the only ones when we went online that could guarantee that we could get into Tibet with the group visa because almost no other agency was able to do that, and they really lived up to the promise in making these arrangements, like even with 3 people that they were able to let it continue. So I highly recommend this place. So Ram just took me to a workshop where they make Khukris. And Khukris are apparently the famous knives that the army, the Nepalese army, also called the Gorkhas, they use it, and it's their signature knife. Okay, out of this iron.
Yeah, this iron, this part, this
Yeah.
make the kukuri.
And forge
This.
it and make the cookery.
This
Show me.
this hiring the this heat. Yeah, this cutting. Yeah, this cutting.
Oh yeah, you cut
This-
it up.
Yeah, cutting.
yeah.
This making this iron. This just hammering. Yeah.
Yeah.
This and it. This kukuri. This part making. This pinching. This. Pinching.
Yeah.
This pinching. This toolbox. This little toolbox. This carbine.
To
Yeah.
make the decorations.
Yeah, decoration.
Yeah.
I do this work. This
Oh.
toolbox.
Nice.
And this.
They hand forge it.
Yeah.
This.
Amazing.
This make it. This back side. Manufacture side. This making this finishing knife. This press. Special this.
Wow. Yeah. So it has this very unique shape that's familiar with.
Gorkha knife.
And apparently, what Ram explained to me is that it's has this curve so that it creates more height. So if you would, because it's really meant for army and for military to stab people, it leaves the most damage because it's much higher, much more height than a normal small knife.
This very big. This knife.
Oh wow!
Very big. This.
It's a sword.
This 3 men. This making this.
3 men it
3
takes.
men.
Wow.
This only one no making. 3 men this making. This very happy. Okay.
Yeah. Wow. Can I would love to try to.
Okay.
Wow. Look at this. And they actually use this in the army.
Yeah.
Like, but how can you fight with this? Like it's a bit
Yeah,
heavy,
this-
you know?
Army.
Or this is more for decoration.
Yeah, one decoration.
Yeah.
This one decoration. This case. This very happy. This. Yes. Okay, no problem. This Gorkha shoulder knife. This.
Shoulder knife.
Yeah, this shoulder knife. This. Look this. This. This.
Gorkhas.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's the Gorkhas.
Yeah, Gorkhas, yeah. This same knife. This.
Oh, this is really the military
Yeah,
knife.
yeah.
Okay. Nice.
This all Gorkha knife. This carrying. Yeah.
All the Gorkhas. they
Yeah,
carry
yeah,
this.
carrying this. Put this side.
And Gorkhas are apparently famous because like also the English army and the Indian army, they all have one Gorkha battalion, right?
Gorkhas, all this
Over the world.
famous. This.
Over the world.
Yeah, yeah,
Like,
all this.
they are famous for being fearless and like they don't fear death.
yesterday this making this me.
Yesterday.
This I do this.
Okay.
Small this.
Oh wow.
Souvenir knife, gift knife. This.
Gifts.
Yeah, gift. This Gorkha knife manufacturer, this wholesaler house this.
Yeah.
Very good price.
Exactly. So
Everyone.
this is like a wholesale place. It makes it for everybody that sells it. Where you see it sold on the street corners, and in the shops. This is where it's coming from. I'm going to pick one for myself. Okay, we found it. We made a choice. Really cool stuff. And but I need some money, so I'm quickly getting back to the travel agency to check if I can change my yuans. I hope I can find it in the madness, although it's quite easy. If you want to find it in the place where it's a little bit hidden, because Tamil is like the shopping area for souvenirs where all the tourists go to buy their stuff, so it's a little bit expensive. But if you know where to find this place in the middle, then you can really get them for like cost price almost, because this guy makes them as a wholesaler too for the big guys. So I'm not entirely sure if you will figure out, but it's like within this big street, this really small alley where Pashupati handicraft, which is a nice synchronicity with the Pashupati Nath temple. Very good. This is the best. This is the right place to go. And there it is. So the synchronicity is really nice. Yeah, you're gonna clean it now? Amazing. Oh wow! Look at this. This is mine. Beautiful.
This, yeah.
Yeah, like very.
This, this.
That's what it
this.
starts with, and then it gets like that.
Clean this.
Yeah.
This part.
And then you make the decorations.
Yeah.
Yes.
This Nepal Army using knife. This.
Okay.
Nepal Army, Nepali security, bank security, all this carrying this.
Yeah.
Stand my duty. Yeah.
And it's all the same metal. It's all
This
the.
metal different. This different.
This is different
this
metal.
Carbon, steel,
Okay.
copper, mix this.
Mm-hmm.
This only one, this no mix, this only one iron this.
Oh. Okay.
No mix.
Only
Natural
iron.
souvenir
So
iron.
that's so this is better.
Yeah, this is better, yeah.
This is better.
Yeah, this
Oh,
is better.
okay.
This no better.
Okay.
This quality is very low quality.
Oh, okay.
This
is a
good
cheap one.
quality this.
Okay, good to know.
This real knife this.
Nice. Yeah.
Okay,
No, it's
I
really
do this,
pretty.
okay?
Yeah, beautiful. Thank you. Super dusty, like the metal, all the dirt of the metal comes off, and it's like not too good to stay here for too long. That's why they're all wearing the mask. And what are these for?
This
Why
is small.
why do you need them?
This all this
Course.
culture this
Hmm.
this firing the stone.
Hmm?
Yeah, this
To clean food or something.
this
Or for some
no, you know stone
stone?
stone
Easton.
firing stone.
Mm,
You know firing stone?
I know. I don't understand.
No, you understand. This firing stone,
Yeah.
this stone, this kapas,
Mm.
this mix, this stone, this stone, this is firing. Yeah, this.
Yeah. Okay.
This firing.
Mm.
This.
Oh, firestone, flintstone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
To make fire. Ah.
This.
Okay, so you have the fire
Yeah,
starter and you.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
the
start
yes,
the firing.
the flint stone.
Yeah,
Okay. A fire starter.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is small knife. This is small.
Mm-hmm.
Small this.
Yeah.
Small this.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
This no sharp. This sharp.
Yeah. Okay. Not sharp and.
Yeah, sharp.
Okay. And then the not sharp one you use for the fire, right?
Firing the stone. Yeah.
Really pretty. Yeah. Super pretty. So it's a deer horn.
Yeah, deer horn. Deer. This brass. This high carbon steel.
Okay, high carbon.
Copper. This all this iron.
Similar as same as.
same. This mix.
Yeah.
This deer screen. This
Oh.
deer
The deer skin.
screen. Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's very old. This.
It's nice. It's really nice. So right now he's improving the fit of the knife. That will stay better. It's amazing that we're able to see the entire process, like all the fine-tuning steps behind the scenes. And it fits like a glove. Show me once more.
This.
When you put
this,
it in.
This open.
Yeah.
This close. This lock.
Yes. So
Yeah,
if you
this-
push it down,
Yeah, down.
the bend will prevent it
No,
from
no
getting
open.
out.
Yeah. This open. This.
That's how it
This.
works.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah. Beautiful.
This lock.
Very smart.
Yeah.
Very simple.
Small.
Very easy. Very simple.
Yeah, very,
Very
easy,
effective.
very simple.
Beautiful.
Open. Very
Nice.
simple.
Nice. Same, and it's the same with all of them, or not really? No.
Yeah, this
is
same.
Yeah.
This
Oh, yeah.
This lock. This same. Same.
So the safety packaging, so that you're able to, because if like this you can transport it, if it's packaged,
Yeah. This
It
wrapping.
can-
This.
you can use it, or you can fly with it in the plane.
Yeah. You put this hand and luggage. It's no problem.
For hand luggage,
Yeah.
even.
Hey, hand luggage? No.
No, exactly. Just check-in luggage.
Checking luggage.
Check-in luggage. Yeah.
Hand luggage is no possible. No.
No, of course. Makes sense.
Hand luggage impossible. No possible.
Of course. You're beautiful.
This wholesale place, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Wholesale. Very cheap wholesale.
Yeah, easy. That's what we want. That's what everybody wants.
Yeah.
Cheap. Not just the Dutch.
Oh my God! Last battery.
Yeah. Yeah.
All this. Yeah, okay.
Exactly, and you should subscribe too at home if you like
This-
these videos.
This.
Perfect.
Okay.
I will
Sure.
definitely put you in. And thank you very much. It was really amazing to see how it all
Okay, brother.
works out, and
Okay.
I'm really happy with the knives.
Okay.
Great.
Have a good day, brother.
Yes, you too. Bye.
Bye.